We move forward, and each step of Seoul construction machinery has taken a solid and powerful. Passion, agility, trust, intelligence, advanced technology, opportunity, cooperation, customer delight. Passion. We are in 2 countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, and South America. We are in the United States, Canada, Dubai, Russia, Singapore, Bangladesh, and other places with Bioaccessories branch service staffing center, and continue to grow. Agility. 24, our artificial online multi-language engineer service, Arabic, Russian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Indonesian, by hours, quickly reflect the solution. 3 to 7 working days give the actual after-sales itinerary arrangement, and so on. Trust. With the intermondially-renowned brand Caterpillar, Zoom Lion, Seini, Putzmeister, Sinamash, Sumitomo, Volvo, XCMG, Komatsu, Koboko, Hitachi, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, and so on for Yan Construction, machinery brands to work with Seoul Machinery for many years. Intelligence. Step is to soar. We are a trusted team. In Liangqing, Seoul Construction Machinery was established and has always served the majority building customers, and there are remote intelligent working conditions after sale, and so on, thereby decreased by 31 of the failure rate. Advance. Each step is a challenge. The core product of Seoul Construction Machinery is rapidly iterating. So far, Seoul Machinery VR has been launched one after another: used concrete pump plant, forklift, high altitude operation platform, rotor, drill, used shield machine, TBM, tower crane, mixing truck, mixing station, road machinery, airport paving machinery, used mixed soil pump truck, secondary manual decoration machinery, soil pump trucks, highway machinery, construction machinery, crane machine, loader machine, excavator, bulk truck, flat machine, heavy trucks, heavy industrial equipment and vehicle export business and accessories, comprehensive one-stop solutions. Technology. The quality assessment of serious cell, examination of the quality of second-hand heavy work machinery, and everything is segmented from here. Opportunity. And widely used in infrastructure, mining, highway, railway, airports, buildings, mines, hydropower and energy, and telecommunications projects, rail traffic, highway, bridges, high-speed rail, chemical factories, metallurgy, forestry, bay construction, islands, heat power plants. The exhibition hall, natural gas station, foundry, rail file, power station, transporter, subway, water station, port, city center, energy chemicals and other applications. Cooperation. Construction machinery made in China is particularly suitable. Mechanical service providers such as infrastructure construction in the Belt and Road and countries, road and comprehensives, automation, and more value-added services serve global overseas infrastructure, lead the futures, our interpretation of professionalism. We understand the security, we bring convenient, effect, saving, while saving, it also brings more guarantees. Each interchange project process is derived from the customer, is stable and promising. Customer delight. In 22 years, the members of our Seoul Construction Machinery solemnly promised you that more than 240 satisfactory customers witnessed the promise. Liaqing's successful cases. 130家 Pro Consultants, walking with you. Make your ideas a reality.
Hello everyone, I am Amir Iqbal. I'm working as an engineer in TSO Machine, China. Today I'm here to introduce about our factory and our company. Basically, we are the experts of manufacturing different kinds of machineries and material equipments.
Hello, this is Sayeda from TSO Machine Company. This is our products. The first one is the concrete machine, which we provide the concrete machine to other factories and for the working of the construction. Like this one machine, the basic engineering machine we provide to different countries like French, Spanish, Russia, German and Arabic, different Arabic countries.
Good evening, I am Najam from TSO Machine. TSO Machine basically provide heavy equipment for the construction.
Hello, I am Sam working in the TSO Machine. Today I am going to tell you about the TSO company. First of all, you can see that concrete mixture. This is the latest technology we are using, and you can see how to mix the concrete during construction.
Always trust TSO Machine. Always trust TSO Machine.